Good afternoon, judges, teachers, and friends. I am Cloud. I am Amara. We are the Physicists. Today we will show you our fun experiment called baking soda and vinegar is magic. Baking soda and vinegar simple, but when we mix them, something amazing happens. They make lots of bubbles and gas. The gas can fill up a balloon all by itself. Like magic! For our experiment, we need now we're ready. First, the bottle. Baking soda into the bottle. For the next steps, we need to be careful, kids. Stretch the balloon on the bottle. So stretch the balloon on the bottle. Do not let the baking soda fall in yet. Now lift the balloon so the baking soda falls into the bottle. Watch what happens. Wow, the balloon fills up with gas. That's because baking soda and vinegar make a gas called carbon dioxide. Science is fun, exciting, and full of surprises. Thank you for watching our experiment. We hope you like our fizzy magic.
Alright, so science is truly full of fun and exciting experiments.